The Riot Blockchain, Incorporated stock price gained 1.57% on the last trading day, Tuesday, 1st March 2022, rising from $17.23 to $17.50, and has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 8.84% from a day low at $16.74 to a day high of $18.22. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -2.34% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 61,000 more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 13 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $232.47 million. The stock lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $17.79 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall -42.08% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $5.04 and $10.30 at the end of this 3-month period. Do note that if the stock price manages to stay at current levels or higher, our prediction target will start to change positively over the next few days as the conditions for the current predictions will be broken. Signals forecast. The Riot Blockchain, Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock, but the stock has a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $16.46 and $17.34. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 15, 2022. And so far it has fallen -11.30%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Support, risk stop loss on the downside. The stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $16.57 and $15.13. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Riot Blockchain, Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $16.57. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $15.13 and $15. This stock may move much during the day. Volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.48 between high and low, or 8.84%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 11.77%. Our recommended stop loss, $16.44, -6.06%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 9 days ago. Insiders are very negative, selling more shares than they are buying in Riot Blockchain, Incorporated. In the last 100 trades there were 1.7 million shares bought and 6.55 million shares sold. The last trade was done 13 days ago by Lei Jason, who sold 244.87 thousand shares. In general, the insiders are selling more stocks than they buy. There can be a variety of reasons for this, but in general it can be considered as a negative signal. Predicted opening price for Riot Blockchain, Incorporated of Wednesday, March 2, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price March 2, 2022 $17.49.